Just like the perfect melody, everyday life is a symphony of flavors and experiences. As a chef, I find inspiration in music, allowing it to guide my creativity and infuse my culinary creations with harmony and rhythm. In the kitchen, music is the spice that adds an extra dimension to the cooking process. It uplifts my spirits, fuels my passion, and transforms the mundane into a culinary masterpiece. Music has this incredible power to evoke emotions, and as a chef, I aim to create dishes that do the same. I believe that the right combination of flavors and textures can create a culinary composition that touches the soul, just like a beautiful melody. The connection between music and food runs deep. Both have the ability to bring people together, create lasting memories, and ignite the senses. In my culinary journey, I've learned to appreciate the artistry and storytelling aspects that both music and food share. Just as musicians meticulously craft their performances, chefs craft their dishes with precision and attention to detail. We both understand the importance of timing, balance, and creating an unforgettable experience that resonates with our audience, whether through sound or taste.